discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others. So, what's your name and what's in here, man?
Daniel Malden. It's 3 ZB518s.
Okay.
Crossfire XS 8X case. Cabin 4 per doors. Sundown Neo V3s all the way around.
Yes, sir. So who built this box?
So actually me, him, and another buddy.
Okay. And those back ports, are those, what size ports are the back?
2.8s.
2.8s. Yeah. Okay, it's a little dark back there.
It is.
Nice. What's your electrical like?
2 Brand X 320s.
Okay.
And separate charging. So, you know, stock stuff stays stock.
Yeah.
I charge it like right at 15.6, 15.8.
Okay.
C max 90 amp hour.
Okay.
It does okay.
Yeah. You having any windshield issues? Did you actually remove this for any reason, or?
When we
Maybe solid.
we 16-pound foamed it.
There you go. Nice. SPL scores?
It does a 60.
Very nice. You happy with it?
No.
No.
Is anybody truly happy?
I guess not. That's a good question. Have you put any clamp numbers on it yet?
Not with the amps in here. I used to be on 6 Cat 45s, so
okay. Wow. Yeah.
I have fed them a lot of power.
Yes, sir.
Ugly duckling.
The ugly duck? Okay, I remember this at TDH. I heard it last year.
Yeah, this
awesome.
is I don't know where he's at. I actually bought it off of a guy.
Okay.
I'm gonna give you a sticker.
Yeah. Is there where I can see the back?
Yeah.
What are these amps wired to?
Half.
Half ohm each? Okay.
It's not strapped.
Gain matched?
Yeah.
Gain matched at half ohm. Got it. There we go. The ugly duckling. All right. I've been trying to improve on is showing the actual scene of the show. A lot of people watch but don't realize how big these shows are. Alright, different time. probably has a high note too, I'm sure.
It does.
Wow.
Do you want the high note?
Nah. You're putting some power on them too, I'm sure.
Oh, yeah.
Have you put some any clamp numbers on it yet?
Not with the amps in here. I used to be on 6 cap 45s, so
okay. Wow. Yeah.
I have fed them a lot of power.
Yes, sir. Very nice. Thank you
Yeah.
very much for the demo. What's
Yeah,
your
man.
name again?
Daniel Malden.
Daniel Malden.
And this is the ugly duckling.
The ugly duck? Okay, I remember
Yeah.
this at TDH. I heard it last year.
Yeah, this
Awesome.
I don't know where he's at. I actually bought it off of a guy.
Okay.
I'm gonna get this sticker.